Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have one of the best 3 torque wrench that you can buy right now. So this is by Lexivon. They make really good torque wrenches and also a few sockets as well. And this one is only 35 bucks on Amazon, which is a really good deal. And like it does come with this hard case. Opens up like this. And here we actually have a certificate of calibration, which is really great because of course there's like either cheaper models too, but they don't come with a certificate of a calibration. So with this is going to be 100% accurate. And of course, this does come with a 2-year warranty as well, and a small owner's manual. And this is the wrench itself. Of course, I'm going to be fully testing this out as well. And here is the wrench. And of course, just like a regular wrench, you can spin this over here to adjust your torque rating. This goes all the way from 10 to 80. So this is perfect for like smaller 3/8 3/8 like torquing, spark plugs, these kind of stuff. So once again, you can just hit the torque, come down here, tighten this up, and you're good to go. The other thing I would like to point out is with all these torque wrenches, whenever you're not going to store them, you always have to bring this to the lowest setting over here so you actually don't damage it while it's stored. And the other thing is never use these to loosen up screws, only use them to tighten them up. And overall, a really nice, light, solid build quality. Guys, so in order to use it right over here, how this works is you're gonna untighten this like this, and now twist this to basically where you want your torque rating to be, as you can see over here. So let's say I wanted this at 20, I can just do this, bring it at 20, come over here, tighten this back up, and let's do it on one of these bolts. So basically how this works is once it like reaches that torque level, it will just make a clicking sound. You will probably not hear it through the camera, but you can of course feel it. So there you go. It just like doesn't want to go. It's actually like making that clicking sound like this. And if you're wondering this is hitting here, I'm going to do it like this. And there you go. It's actually making that clicking sound. And now, for example, if I come over here, increase the torque, let's say increase it to around 70, and now it will actually go through. So there you go. It actually went all the way across because we really haven't hit that 70 torque yet. So once we keep on going, once we reach that level, then it will make that ticking sound again. Overall, this might literally be one of the best 3/8 small torque wrenches at this price point. Once again, it's only around 30 bucks, but the best part about everything is you actually get a certification of calibration. So if you're someone professional but you are on a budget, this might be the perfect option. The link will be down below. Please go check it out.